Hi and welcome to my Fusion install using Slate. In this video I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks to help you with the installation. As you can see, I have already installed the 2x2 array and you can see how this is done in my other videos. The position or starting point for this array is 130mm off the batten below. It is very important the array is the correct distance off the batten. Too high and we won't get enough cover, too low and we won't be able to fix the slates below. First up, I'm going to prepare the side flashing. In the kit, the side flashing will come with an upstand. All I am simply going to do is flatten or create a welt using some batten, but any pliers or hammer can be used to achieve this. We flatten this section so the slate can sit flush to the flashing. As you can see, I have lowered the upstand. Here is a before and after shot of the flashing. Moving on to the lower part of the array, I'm going to fold back the lead skirt to reveal the batten and fixing point for that course of slate. What we don't want here is the aluminium part of the flashing to cover the batten. This will enable us to fix the slate below. Once the lead skirt is folded back, I can start with fixing that course of slate. As I said at the start of the video, if we had the array any lower, we would not be able to see the batten's fixing point. This is why the distance from the batten to the bottom of the array is so important. As I get closer to the array with the course, I will need to cut some tiles to suit. Once I have completed the course below, I can fold back the lead skirt. Now you can dress the lead down with the bituminous strip provided. On this occasion I have opted to bond it at the end. Before we slate up the side of the array, I will cut the foam cushion down to suit the slate used. Offer up the next course and mark the slate on the side flashing. This is not necessary to do, but I like to cut a section out where the slate ends. This will improve the aesthetics. Once complete, you can see it looks a lot tidier. I will now complete the slate installation up the side and over the top.